So it is recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Rain, you are under arrest by the Galactic Empire for crimes against its citizens. In the cell! Now! You have confessed to multiple crimes, such as not being on program and pissing off the Empire. Shame on you.
Oh, come on, every prophecy won't be funny.
Do not insult the Emperor in my presence! How dare you!
I'm going to insult whoever I want.
You should be ashamed!
I'm breaking the game.
It is absolutely ridiculous. You have an arrest time of 3 minutes for such dastardly crimes. Do you have anything to say to yourself? Are you sure about that? He is the Emperor. You understand? The Emperor. He rules the galaxy.
Oh, look at me. I never prophecy. I sit in a freaking chair and I keep lightning out of my life.
Enough! I will not sit here and have you walk everything. How dare you!
Oh, I also have to practice that life support.
It's terrible. Absolutely terrible. Every citizen should see this, and you will be an example to the rest of the galaxy of what not to do. Do not cross him. Do not cross the Emperor. Do not cross Lord Vader. If I had it my way, you'd sit in this cell forever. But, alas, I'll be lenient this one time because you confessed to your own crime. Just one time. I don't think you do. I really don't. I'm sure you are. Now, have you learned a lesson? Then get out of my cell. And take this as evidence of your crime. And be gone with you.
All right,